Hi everyone, it's Lynn with the Lions Family Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you a really easy way to fix separation or curdling in creamy and cheesy dishes. Separation of fat, protein, and water can happen when you overmix or overheat the creamy dishes. So the easiest way to salvage the dish is to apply a Chinese cooking technique called slurry. A slurry is simply a mixture of cornstarch and a little bit of water, and you add it to the dish. The slurry cannot re-emulsify the fat, protein, and water. However, it does stabilize the sauce and make it thicker so it's not watery. So to make the slurry, just simply add 1 tablespoon of water to 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. To demonstrate, I have 1½ cups of creamy cheese sauce that has been overcooked and curdled. You can see the sauce is lumpy and watery. To fix it, I'm adding a cornstarch slurry and stirring it in right away. Then bring the sauce to a boil. You will notice it starts to thicken. Repeat the process and add more slurry as needed until you get the desired consistency. Just keep in mind 2 things. First, the sauce must be boiling for the cornstarch to activate. Don't add more slurry until it thickens first. If you add too much cornstarch before boiling, the sauce can become too thick after it's boiled. Second, stir immediately after adding the slurry to prevent lumps from forming in the sauce. For reference, I'm using a total of 3 teaspoons of cornstarch for this batch. As you can see, the sauce is now thick and creamy. While some of the cheese curds are still visible, the overall texture is much smoother. It's definitely an improvement over a grainy, watery sauce. I hope this helps you save those creamy or cheesy dishes when things don't go as planned. It doesn't have to be a total loss. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.